Oh my God, we have one. Nice. Oh yeah. Color switch is the way to go. That was our first sign of like a nice fish for the day. That was at least 8 inches right there. What is up, everyone? We are back, and I couldn't resist it. We came back to the creek we fished in the last video. So that is the lower river, this pond. I don't like to disclose names of stuff. You know, you gotta find your own places to fish. But you know, anyway, we're at the lower river this time. And last time we had good luck, man. It was pretty good, and I figured out that it split. It didn't show it on the map, but the river actually split into two, and I took the left split, so we're gonna take the right split this time. I'm fishing some of these pre-holes before that split. We're gonna see how that goes. Let's get right into it. Let's take our first cast of the day here. Starting off with this gold panther martin. This thing usually does pretty good. I'm gonna try it out just because it's sunny. I'm gonna try these holes that I didn't have luck at last time, but I think would hold some fish. Especially this one. This one looks great, but we didn't get one, so we're gonna see. Something's hiding out here. Oh yeah. Color switch is the way to go. Sweet, man. Oh yeah. Nice little guy. Nice brownie, man. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Let's get a good look at this guy. Beautiful trout. Thanks for playing, buddy. Off he goes. He absolutely smoked that thing. So I think the color change was the way to go. You know, this black rooster tail, man, just gets these fish riled up. I don't know what it is. I threw around that panther martin for a while, man. 30 minutes at least. I guarantee you if I would have had this on, I would have got more fish. So we're gonna keep this on for a little bit. Gotta get one under this one. Looks way too good. Huge trout. Freaking weight on my lure right there. Right away, man. Yeah, there was a real good fish in there. I cast it upriver, brought it down, and he just came up and swiped it right at the top. That was our first sign of like a nice fish for the day. That was at least 8 inches right there. We're gonna keep moving up, man. I mean, it seems like he doesn't want to bite again, so we're just gonna keep seeing what the stream has to offer. So I believe this is where we stopped last time, and honestly, I don't know what the hell I was talking about. I don't even think the river splits like in a Y formation. It kind of just splits and then joins back together, if you know what I mean. And so we'd just been walking the same stretch, which not too happy about. We're still getting fish, you know, but I kind of wanted to try somewhere new today. But anyway, doesn't matter. We're out fishing. We are about where we stopped, so we're gonna keep going and see if we can make it to the end. Oh yeah, we're on. Nice. Right in that current over there. It's a little shallow here too. Nice little brownie, I think. Sweet. Fish number 2. camera just died, so had to let him go with the old iPhone. It's looking good, man, looking good. More and more as we go up. Oh, I just saw one, man. That was sick. That was freaking sick, dude. He was like, he swiped at it, and then I saw him following it, and the sun just shined on him at the perfect time, dude. Saw that fish so close up. That was sick, man. That was a little one, too. That's just cool to see. Oh, yeah, we're on. Oh, we had one, dude. We had one. Oh, we're on again. Okay, sweet. No, we came off, bro. What? That was a nice brownie, man. Oh, he hit it twice, too. So there was 2 fish in this little stretch right here. At least, man. That's cool. Because it's like a small area, man. But there was one hanging out right here and one hanging up more up the stretch. Jesus. That's a nice brown. Not happy we missed them. So we already missed 2 fish. I'm pretty sure that first one was a brookie. You couldn't really see it on the camera. But like I said, the light shined on at the perfect time and I could just see all the colors on it. It's a nice, tiny brookie. Now there's one more like big stretch like this. And by stretch, I mean like, you know, it gets kind of deep and there's enough current to hold the fish. So another stretch, as I say it, right here. We're gonna fish in this last one quick and see if we get anything. Oh my God, we have one. Nice. No, we freaking came off, dude. Damn it, man. There was a fish in every part. A fish in every part. That's nuts. Oh, that was a nice one too. The current did not help us that time. He kept swimming downstream. I just couldn't catch him. Maybe there's another one. We'll see. That was crazy. They really do like the high current areas. Like, if there's no slack water, don't even think of just passing that by, because there could still very well be a fish. Yeah, that's wild, man. So we just had 3 fish on. The current's just playing against us here. Because they're grabbing it and they're running downstream. If we don't have enough time to really pin them, they're going to come off. All right, so we are pretty much at the end of the river. That bridge right there, right beyond that is the waterfall. And then there's the pond. So, finally made it, the whole stretch of the creek. I mean, obviously there's more down part, but from where I started at that park, made it all the way from there, which is a pretty long way. It's like a mile, maybe. Freaking lot of snags in this hole. Oh yeah. Oh, we were just on, dude. Lost another one. We have lost a ton of fish today. But it's still good though, just to at least have a bite, you know? Yeah, we just had one on there. That sucks. Well, we're gonna move up, probably fish the waterfall, and then we'll be done for the day. Oh yeah, there we are. Perfect. Yes. Beautiful specimen right there. Look at that guy. Gonna let him go. There he goes. Awesome. What a day, man. We fished the whole stretch from the park. That's about a mile of river. That's not bad at all. And to add on top of that, we got at least 5 bites from what I can remember. And we caught 3 fish. So that's plenty for me, man. It's a good day on the water. So we're gonna pick a new spot next time. But anyway, if you liked the video, drop a like, drop a little comment, subscribe. See ya.